Hi guys, and welcome to yet another very exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. And as we approach the close of the text type tool chapter inside our Adobe Illustrator tutorial series and all the basic things you have learned about the text and what you can do with it, I want to show you the last thing in this tutorial before in the next tutorial we start a new topic, and that is how to convert your text or your type into shapes or objects or paths. So as you can see, when I select this text which I attached to this path or this line or this circular line, which I told you in few previous tutorials before. If you don't know how to do that, go and watch the tutorial first. Okay, so now they are not individual letters, and sometimes you require them to be individual letters to adjust each and every one individually because they are just text. And if I want to modify them, one option is that I have to go and select the touch type, and the other option is that I have to go to character panel and stuff like that. Then I can do some modification between them. But if I want to bring these things to another program, for example Cinema 4D or any 3D program, to convert them into 3D figures and then want them to act as individual pieces or individual shapes, again touch type tool does not go in there, and it does not exist in that other software. So for that to happen, I first need them to be converted into shapes or paths rather than text. Now to do that, it's very simple. You just select it and go to type, and then come to this option which says create outlines, and hit change them to outlines or shapes. Or alternatively, you can also click Ctrl plus Shift plus O on the keyboard to do that. Once you do that, as you can see, now every shape is outline of its own. And if we select our direct selection tool and I zoom in a little bit like this, select V, move it around, move its pieces, give it some rounding off, stuff like that. Come to our N, give it rounding also like that, move our O, move one of its anchor points like so, and other stuff like that. Change its shape, individual, make it a bit strange like this, make it centered like that, like it's melting away. Move C and stuff like this. These all things are now possible because we have converted these all into individual shapes. Now, word of caution that I must tell you: once you do that, the only way to go back is Ctrl Z. Otherwise, you cannot convert your shapes or paths back into text. It can be only converted from text to paths, not from paths to text. So you must keep that in mind also. So this is how you do this. I hope you have your own reasons of converting text to type, but this is the way to do it. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are going to start exploring a new topic in Adobe Illustrator tutorial series. Until that time, I take my leave from you guys and hope to see you in the next one.